Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your monitors stay blank when connected through a Dell docking station, it can disrupt your entire workspace even though the dock appears to be functioning normally. Display issues can happen because of loose cables, incorrect monitor settings, outdated drivers, firmware communication problems, or connection interruptions between the laptop and the Dell docking station. The good part is that many monitor detection problems can be resolved without replacing any hardware. A few quick checks are often enough to restore video output and get your screens working again. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple troubleshooting steps you can try. Try these. Step 1. Check display cables connected to the Dell docking station. Step 2. Verify the correct input source on monitors using the Dell docking station. Step 3. Reconnect the laptop to the Dell docking station. Step 4. Detect external displays through the Dell docking station. Step 5. Update drivers and firmware for the Dell docking station. Step 6. Test monitor output from the Dell docking station again.